Infosys founder Narayan Murthy has once again triggered a nationwide debate on work hours, productivity, and work life balance. In a new interview, the 79-year-old billionaire repeated his long standing view that young Indians should work longer hours. This time, he compared India directly with China and highlighted the famous 996 work culture. The 996 model became popular in China during its rapid tech and manufacturing rise. It means working from 9 a.m. to 9 p.m., 6 days a week. That adds up to a 72-hour work week. Companies like Alibaba, Huawei, and several fast growing startups openly encouraged these long hours during China's boom years. Critics, however, blamed the model for burnout, stress, and a collapse in personal life. In 2021, China's Supreme Court ruled that 996 was illegal, but many workers say the practice still continues in some sectors. In his latest comments to Republic TV, Murthy said that Indian youth must be ready for similar levels of effort if they want to grow India at a faster pace. He said China advanced because its people were prepared to work extremely hard. He believes Indian youngsters should show the same level of commitment. Murthy first sparked controversy in 2023 when he said Indians should work 70 hours a week for nation building. The statement received heavy criticism from employees and labor groups. Many argue that long hours do not automatically lead to a higher productivity. Murthy has now strengthened his argument by pointing to China's example. He also repeated that young people should focus on building their careers first and then think about work life balance later. He said, get a life and then worry about work life balance. According to him, discipline and high effort are crucial in the early years of a career. Murthy also spoke about India's economic goals. He said that India is growing at a rate of around 6.57%, which he called reasonable. But he noted that China's economy is still almost 6 times larger. He believes India can catch up, but only if every Indian citizen and every institution pushes harder. He stressed that India needs extraordinary action from all sides. This includes government officials, politicians, corporate leaders, and civil society. He said India will progress only if each person sets very high benchmarks for themselves. He added that it is the combined effort of millions that will help India move closer to China. Murthy's comments have once again divided opinions. Supporters say he is pushing for discipline and ambition. Critics say working longer hours is not the same as working smarter. Many also believe long working hours can harm health, mental well-being, and family life. The debate is far from over, but Murthy's message is clear. He believes hard work, long hours, and high personal standards are essential if India wants to match China's economic rise.